All right, guys, we're gonna take this brand new chainsaw rack from Extreme Metal Products and we're gonna mount it on this X3. And then we're gonna come over here and we're gonna take this brand new front and rear bumper and we're gonna mount it onto the fender. Let's get to work. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna mount this bracket inside here to the cage bolt. Keep in mind, it has to be one of the newer buggies that the cage bolts on. So to do that, we're gonna take, we got a 16 and a 18 millimeter wrench. We're gonna take out the cage bolt. This is Loctite on it. It's very hard to come out, but you can get it out and you can get it back in. Let's do it. All right, guys, we're gonna cheat a little bit and use the impact gun, but we don't wanna tighten this all the way. We wanna just snug it up a little bit. We still wanna be able to move it. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take this rubber coated metal strap and we're gonna slip around the bar about where your sticker is. All right, guys, next step. We're gonna take this mounting bracket. We're gonna take the screw that comes with it. We're gonna take the stock screw out right here. Now we've got a rack for a pack out box. We tried to make this fit with most boxes we could find. It may not fit with all of them, but we think we did a pretty good job of doing a little research and making it work. So anyway, we're gonna take the screw, we're gonna put it in the bracket, and we're gonna drop it down in here, the hole. And again, we're not gonna tighten it yet because we're gonna make sure that everything's in the right place before we do. I don't know why that's not going in, but it'll go. There we go. And the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna tighten up this last thing we're gonna do is tighten up this last bolt. And I use this just because it's easier. You can use any wrench you want. But look at that, nice sturdy rack. Take a chainsaw. Down in there like that. And there you have it. You got your chainsaw mounted. It's lower than the top, so it's not gonna get taken out by trees. It's a nice sturdy rack. Look at that, nice and sturdy. That's from Extreme Metal Products in Cleveland, Ohio. That'll fit just about any chainsaw up to this size. This is a steel MS-271. Check it out, Extreme Metal Products. Here's a picture in the light. You can see it a little better. Very sturdy. Got a nice heavy duty bracket that strap up underneath there. And over here, the bracket that goes to the cage bolt.